The cabin air filter in your 2010-2015 Toyota Prius prevents dust, pollen, and odors from entering the cabin. It's located behind the glove box, not under the hood. Replacing it improves air quality, HVAC efficiency, and can even slightly improve MPG. Aim to replace it every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually. Neglecting replacement can lead to reduced airflow and musty smells, impacting the hybrid system's energy use. Tools needed: new filter, OEM part numbers 88568-47140 or 88568-47010, screwdriver, possibly, and gloves. New filters cost $20–$35. Poor filtration can affect cabin ventilation and HVAC efficiency. AR apps are available that can help with the process. Park your Prius on a level surface and turn off the engine. Open the glove box and release the stoppers on the sides to lower it fully. You might need a screwdriver to remove a plastic cover or screws on the filter housing. Pull out the old filter, noting the direction of the airflow arrows. Insert the new filter in the same orientation. Reassemble the housing, ensuring it's secure. Finally, reassemble the glove box, making sure it latches correctly to avoid rattles. Start the car and test the AC airflow. DIY replacement saves $40 to $60 versus a mechanic. Be gentle with the glove box hinge, as it can be fragile. Online tutorials and apps can assist, but ensure proper filter alignment to prevent rattles or HVAC issues.